Feel good?
Honestly, I had so much fun riding that. Felt great.
How hard it revs, can you?
It just keeps revving, and the noise it makes is fantastic when you're pulling out the corners. But yeah, really enjoyed that.
What about the quick shifter? I bet you like that.
Love the quick shifter, especially, and also entering the corner, the blipper. So much fun just to blip it back down the box, and it worked really well. So
I reckon this thing's going to work so good on the straight as well as the track, hey?
yeah, 100%. You can tell the ultra quality finish. Good fun to ride. Handles great in the fast corners and the slow corners. It was turning really well. Great.
I love the chassis, the way it handled. You know, I could brake super late, and even when like you were absorbing the bumps, the bike was just turning around the corner. It was unbelievable.
There's going to be a lot of people having a lot of fun on this bike on the street, that's for sure.
I can't wait to hear what people think about it.
Me too.